Hello friends, in this video I will share the steps how to install Hamster Combat application, earning application in your mobile. This is a simple step friends. You just listen my words and just maintain and just do it, and you can install it within 50 seconds. So friends, at first you have to install Telegram channel, a Telegram application. Okay friends, then next stage is I have share a link in my description box. You have to click on my link and that will be redirect to the Telegram channel. After that this type of interface will become okay, because this is the link, referral link. You just click on my referral link in description box, and after that you can see such type of application is already in the interface. Okay, you can see such type of interface in your mobile, the Hamster Combat, and you have to click on it like that. You just get, if you can earn your point or coin friends. Okay, just one thing you can see, this is my Telegram channel, and you have to see that that such type of links will be there in my description box. You have to click on it, then you can see such type of interface will come. Okay friends, then you have to just it's only, I have already just click on the 2 to 3 items. You have to just 2 to 3 steps, you have to click on next, then such type of interface will become. Okay, so this is the procedure how to install hamster.combat in your mobile. Thanks for my video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay, thanks friends.